welcome to a new video from IIT Bioinfo. And I know, guys, all of you are worried about your preparation for GATE Humanities and Social Science paper. All the aspirants of this GATE paper mm, can do one thing very easily, and that is you should make a strategy. And I am going to discuss about the best strategy, how you can do very good in your upcoming examination. So guys, uh, I think this video will be lengthy. Please watch this video till the end, and so that you will get all the valuable and necessary information, and that will be your answer of your query. Okay, so just watch this video till the end, and this is my request, because you know that there is no particular book uh, for GATE HSS paper, any of the for any of the optional papers. So guys, how much marks is important for GATE HSS paper, and how you can overcome all the difficulties, and how is the possible way so that you can get a good marks in GATE HSS paper. So guys, I am going to tell you that the best strategy so that you can do very well in your upcoming examination and for the preparation of GATE Humanities and Social Science paper. So guys, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel IIT Bioinfo, and you will get all the necessary information related to humanities and social science paper. So guys, all of you know that this is the first time GATE will conduct a new paper in the GATE exam. So that is humanities and social science paper. So guys, there is no particular book, there is no study material that will cover all the syllabus of GATE Humanities and Social Science paper. I know all of you know that very well, and I also very very familiar with that uh, condition, with that situation, and about the fact also. So guys, already I have uploaded an important video suggested books for GATE psychology, and you can go through that video and you can watch. You will get all the necessary and valuable information, and I have suggested three or four important books related to your preparation. So guys, first of all, you should familiar with the syllabus. First you have to do that. You should know all the valuable and important topics of your paper. You can you are from maybe psychology background, you are from maybe sociology background, English background, and so on. So guys, today I will discuss the paper of psychology. So guys, first of all, I will tell you the part A strategy. So part A strategy, actually general aptitude is there. So I have suggested 2 or 3 important books, and that will cover all the necessary syllabus of your GATE paper. Okay, GATE part 1 for humanities and social science paper candidate. So guys, go through that books, and you can buy any of the book that I have suggested in my previous video. I will give the link in the description box. You can go through it and click on it. You will get all the necessary information. So guys, first of all, in part A you will get 15 marks. So you have to score minimum 5 to 10 marks. Guys, I am telling you, you can do it very well. There is general mathematical problem, you will get general mathematical problem that you had done in your up to 10th standard. Okay, so don't worry about that. You should do very well, you can do very well, I know that. So just cover all the topics. Question will be very tricky and you can do that. Okay, and the question will be in general part, it will be very easy. So don't think so much about what will be the question pattern, how much it will be hard and so on. So don't worry about that, you should do very well, you can do it very well. Just cover all the topics that you are getting in your syllabus. So I'm going to tell you my success story. I have given 2 times gate paper. So I have cleared both times, and even I got good rank in 2020 paper. Okay, in this year, that is in February. So you can do it very well. Okay, general aptitude part is a very good part to score, and I will tell you in the end of this video how much how much marks you have to score, and that will be good marks to get a good rank. So wait for it. I am going to discuss about some basic strategy that you can do. So first of all, you have to cover all the important topics. Okay, and I'll make a video about the important topics of reading comprehension, that is for part B, and important for general aptitude parts like numericals for time and distance and so on. So you can do it very well. So there you will get very different types of problems related to numericals for general aptitude part, and you have to score 5 to 10 marks, and so that and thus you have to divide all the parts. Okay, and in general aptitude part, besides that you have to score very well in for part B, that is reading comprehension. So this part is very crucial part, so that you can do it very well. If you do it very well in your exam, you will get a good rank. So I will discuss about it later. Now I will tell you that the strategy about for humanities and social science psychology paper. So guys, and I'm going to tell you the first syllabus of the humanities and GATE social science psychology paper. So guys, you can see this. Okay, 1 second, I will do it very clearly for you guys. One second, just wait for a moment. Look, this is the syllabus of psychology. This is the syllabus of psychology, and see 5.1, you can see the major part, that part, research methods and statistics. Research method and statistics. So here, those who are from psychology background, they are, I think they are very well familiar. This is the statistical part, like hypothesis theory and sampling, data sampling. There are so many topics in statistics that will cover this part, and I am going to discuss about that part, statistics in psychology. So for any research purpose in IIT, like institute like IIT, you have to do very well in your statistics. Okay, in every subject, though you are from arts background, you should know very well about statistics. You have to gain very good knowledge in statistics. So there is important part for this exam. So guys, look, statistics in psychology, you have to cover all the syllabus like measures and central tendency, that's mean mean, mode, median. So you will get minimum 1 or 2 question from this part measure of the central tendency and dispersion and normal probability, parametric and non-parametric part, parametric non-parametric test. And another important topic, and I'm very familiar with this statistics because in my BSc and MSc I have done the whole statistics paper. Okay, I had that paper, so I am very familiar with that topic, which is how much tough or how much easy, how is the paper, and so on. So correlation regression, you will get minimum one or two question from correlation and regression, and then you have to cover ANOVA. ANOVA is one type of one type of statistical method that can that is very not easy, not so hard. If you do it very well, if you try to understand the matter of that topic, so you can do it very well. And one thing guys, get numerical question is not so hard. I am giving you that a view about the question of get numericals. Okay, so get numerical problems is not so much hard. First of all, I will tell you that uh, just cover all the statistical part. Look, all the statistical part, like statistics in psychology measure central tendency, correlation, regression, and related part, and ANOVA test, and other test like hypothesis, null hypothesis, alternative hypothesis, chi-square test, student test, F test, Z test. There are so many statistical method to correlate two variables and to identify the relationship between two variables. You will learn all of these when you will go through this part. Okay, so guys, one thing I'm going to discuss that is very very important for your upcoming examination, like in your examination paper you will get minimum 5 to 10 question in statistics. So don't worry about that. You have 60 marks in your optional paper. You have 60 marks in your optional paper, so there will be many question, you will get many question. You can do it very well, and how much marks you have to score so that you will get a good rank in IIT, and I will tell in the end of this video. Okay, then just one thing I am going to tell you, that theoretical part, it is numerical part for get humanities and social science psychology paper. And don't worry about that. If anyone want to do some basic chapters like central tendency, that's mean mode median, I know you have done it in your 10th standard. So then correlation regression is an important topic for your exam purpose. And then ANOVA, and then students test, chi-square test. So there are different types of statistical technique is there, so you can do it. Okay, you can do it. So guys, don't worry about that. And then the basic psychology part, and those who are from psychology background, I think they are very familiar with this syllabus, like biological and evolutionary basis of the behavior. So you should focus, you should give more attention about this part. So question will be much from this topic. Okay, and then perception, learning, memory, and forgetting, these are very easy. I know that I have done B.Ed, and I got a paper about psychology also. So I know all of you are very familiar. And then cognition, thinking, intelligence, very very interesting part of this paper. So, and then personality and theories of personality, and biology related to this part. and then across development across lifespan, social psychology, and you have to give more attention from the theory part. Don't worry about the numerical part. You will get many questions from this theoretical part. Okay, so you have to cover all the theoretical chapters so that you will get many questions from that part, and you have to cover all the topic. Like you are very well in social psychology, so you should cover all the topic of that is related to social psychology, and then development across the lifespan. And guys, now one thing I will share, that is you will get many question, most of the question from this theoretical part. So don't worry about the numerical part, because you are from arts background. We are not doing your maths like in BSc students, those who are very well in their paper, and you are not like that. Okay, so do it, whatever you are, whatever the chapter you know up to your 10th standard, and you can do it. So don't worry about that. And one thing guys, I will share one thing. You have to score 50 to 70 marks. 50 to 70. If you get 60 to 70 marks, you'll get a very very good rank. Guys, I'm writing this 60 to 70. 60 to 70 marks is the very very high marks. Okay, that marks, if you score these marks, you will get a very good rank. You can be under 100 ranking in IIT. So guys, try to do it very well. This is very new GATE paper, and question will be easy. Don't worry about that. You should focus on your theory papers. Don't worry about the numerical part. And then you have to do in general aptitude part, because question will be from different chapters like time, distance, like data interpretation, and so on. So, and then you have to score it very well in reading comprehension part. You are very familiar with the reading comprehension part. I have suggested many books related to reading comprehension. So guys, and though aspirants will get like 50 to 60 marks. Look, those students which will get 50 to 60 marks, 50 to 60 marks, 50 to 60 marks, those students which those students will get very good rank also. Like you can get 200, below 200, so you can get admission, you can be admitted in IIT. Guys, try to get one more score that will be not much good, but it will be a decent score, like 40 to 50, and your cutoff will be, like it will differ, it will vary according to your category. Like general, for general it will be high, and for SC/ST will be low, and for it will be more high than in your OBC category. It will be more high than ST/ST, and then it will be more high than ES and general. So guys, if you score I am writing this 30 to 40 marks, it will be your cutoff. Okay, cutoff, then you will get a basic rank. So guys, I am telling all of this from my experience. I had given two times get paper, and I have qualified two times also. And in 2020 I had done very well, and uh, I got a very good rank. So that is why I am now in IIT Bombay. Okay, you know, IIT Bombay is the best institute in our country according to Times Higher Education ranking, and that is the best ranking authority in the world. Okay, so guys, try to remember all of this that already I have discussed. So guys, for your qualification, for your qualifying marks, and that will be 30 to 40. That will be 30 to 40. Guys, one thing, I have to change my color pen, 1 second, and that will be important. It will be your 1 second, guys, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. Okay, that will be your 30 to 40 marks, and you can see this. So 30 to 40 marks will be your cutoff marks, and if you score 40, if you score 40 to 50, you will get a decent rank, like from 500 to 1000, you will get a rank between this. And if you score 60 to 70, you will get a very good rank. You can get very good rank. Okay, so don't worry about that, and if you get 50 to 60 marks, you will get from 200 to 500 rank. And if you get like 60 to 70 marks in your get paper, you can get below 100 ranking. So guys, give your 100%. And one thing, guys, I am sharing one thing, and that will be very important, and that is very crucial, guys. All of you know that there is no particular book for get humanities and social science paper. Okay, and I think it will be very helpful. Look look, this is the syllabus of I think you can see my cursor and laptop interface also. This is the syllabus of University Grant Commission and subject psychology, and this is UGC NET syllabus. You know, UGC NET syllabus is the Pacific Ocean, and GATE syllabus is the Indian Ocean. That is the difference. Okay, so if you cover the most of the syllabus that is similar to your GATE paper, and that is why I have suggested 2 or 3 important books for your preparation. Listen, guys, I have suggested 3 important books that is related to psychology preparation, and I have made that video. I'll give the link in the description box. Just go through it and see all the necessary details. You will get it from that video. Look, this is the UGC NET syllabus topic, and you will get many books in psychology for UGC NET preparation. Okay, and I have suggested 2 important books. One from Truman series, UGC NET second part, and another Arihant, one book for UGC NET psychology, that is from Arihant. So guys, just buy these 2 books. You will get fundamental concept also before the starting the MCQ. You will get some theory part also. Look, guys, the similar topic. This topic is very similar. Already I have discussed get syllabus. Look, it is the syllabus of UGC psychology, like research methodology and statistics. So you will get every similar chapter. You'll get every similar chapter: variables, operational, definition, hypothesis, and sampling, that already I have discussed in this video. So, and then you can see, look, statistics in psychology, and you will get the same statistical problem in your GATE syllabus. Look, measure of the central tendency and dispersion, normal probability curve, parametric t-test, parametric non-parametric test like t-test, that already I have mentioned. So guys, I think then look, correlation and regression, this part, correlation, regression. And so guys, that is why I have suggested many books related to UGC net, because UGC net is the like a father, like Pacific Ocean, and the GATE syllabus is the like Indian Ocean. But what is the difference between these two important examination? The basic difference is that GATE is technical institute. You will get many questions from mathematics. So that is the difference. In UGC net there is no so much you will not get many questions related to mathematics, like general aptitude part, general aptitude and reading comprehension. You will get many questions from that two part A and part B. So guys, I know this video is lengthy, and try to learn all the things. Look, all the chapters that is in your GATE syllabus, you will get all the topic in UGC net. So guys, that is the reason I have suggested your for your preparation from UGC net psychology. Okay, so in this year you will not get any books. Next year you can get some books, but this year I think if you take my suggestion, if you follow my videos, you will get many helpful information. So guys, and then look, psychological testing. This chapter is in your GATE syllabus. So all the chapters you will get, all the chapters you will get. Look, that is the biological basis of the behavior. And one thing guys, look, biological, this is the GATE this is the syllabus of GATE psychology. So look, biological and evolutionary basis of the behavior. So more or less it is similar. And then look, practice, learning, memory, forgetting, cognition and thinking, intelligence, language, all of this chapter you can see in UGC net syllabus. UGC net syllabus, you will get all the chapters. Okay, one second. Look, attention, perception, learning, memory and forgetting, same chapter. So if you buy some books that already I have suggested in my previous video, like the name of the video, I think suggested books for GATE psychology, I will give the link in this video in the description box. Just click on it, you will get many helpful information. So look, you will get like memory, forgetting, learning process, you will get many similar topic. So it will be very helpful. Look, thinking, intelligence, perception, this is the syllabus of UGC net. And you can see this cognition, thinking, intelligence and language. So you will get all the chapters, all the topic will be covered in your GATE paper. So don't waste your time, start your preparation. I will make many videos regarding this preparation strategy. Don't waste your time. 4 months is huge time to prepare your paper. I'll make separate video, separate strategy video for part A, that is for general aptitude, for part B, reading comprehension, and for many optional paper of humanities and social science paper. And that is my promise. I will discuss with my friends from different background like English, literature, and those many of my friends doing PhD like psychology, like English, so on. So I will discuss with them, then I will prepare a video after the discussion. Okay, I think that will be very good for you. So guys, I think this information will help you a lot. And please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel IIT Bioinfo. Okay guys, thank you, all the best.